Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So if you want to disable your Facebook account two-factor authentication, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off or disable two-factor authentication on Facebook, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right or at the top right. Once you click on the menu icon, scroll down, locate settings and privacy and click on that. Click on settings. Select Account Center here and click on that. Then scroll down to Account Settings, click on Password and Security. Under Password and Security, locate and click on Two-Factor Authentication. Once you selected that, select your Facebook account. Then hang on for the Facebook account to pop. Then you'll be prompted to sign into your Facebook account. Go ahead, sign into your Facebook account. And after that, your Facebook will send the verification code to the associated email address. So go ahead to the email address, type in the verification code you got. So just go ahead and type in the verification code. It's an 8-digit verification code. So you want to type in that. And after that, click on continue. Once you hit the continue button, then you should see two-factor authentication is on. To turn it off, locate the method you selected. In this case, I use SMS and WhatsApp. So go ahead and click on that. Then to disable it, just disable SMS or WhatsApp here. Then you should support that says, do you want to disable or turn off two-factor authentication? If yes, click on turn off. And once you hit the turn off button, then you should see your Facebook two-factor authentication disabled. And then you're good to go. So just hit the back button and that is it. So that is exactly how to turn off or disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.